Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of finance, specifically the world of online banking. We're going to be taking a closer look at comdirect, a popular German online bank. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of their services and features, let's address a question that might be on your mind: who exactly owns comdirect? This might seem like a simple question, but the answer can be a little more interesting than you might think. So, buckle up and get ready for a little bit of financial history. From humble beginnings to a digital powerhouse. The story of comdirect's ownership starts back in 1994. Back then, a major German bank, Commerzbank, was looking to expand its reach and attract a new generation of customers. They saw the rise of online banking and decided to take a leap, establishing a subsidiary specifically for this growing market. That's how comdirect was born. Initially, comdirect operated as a private limited company wholly owned by Commerzbank. It started small, with just 50 employees and a focus on offering a wide range of financial products for private customers, all accessible through a convenient online platform. This was a big deal back then, as traditional banking often involved a lot of paperwork and in-person visits. The winds of change, a new era for comdirect. Fast forward to 2000, and comdirect decided to take another bold step. They went public with an initial public offering, IPO. This meant that instead of being solely owned by Commerzbank, comdirect's ownership became more diversified. Shares were now available for purchase by the general public, allowing investors to participate in the bank's success. A partial reunion, Commerzbank regains control. Things took another interesting turn in 2009. The financial crisis hit the global market hard, and Commerzbank, facing some challenges, decided to increase its stake in comdirect. They gradually acquired more shares, eventually regaining a majority ownership position by 2017. The current landscape, comdirect under the Commerzbank banner. So, as of today, comdirect remains a subsidiary of Commerzbank. While comdirect operates with a certain degree of autonomy, Commerzbank holds the majority ownership stake. This means that major decisions regarding comdirect's future will likely involve input from Commerzbank's leadership. Beyond ownership, what does this mean for you? Now, you might be wondering what all this ownership talk means for you, the potential comdirect customer. Well, the ownership structure itself might not directly impact your day-to-day banking experience. Comdirect still functions as a separate entity, offering its own range of products and services. However, knowing the ownership can provide some context. Since Commerzbank is a major player in the German financial market, it suggests a level of stability and backing for comdirect. Additionally, there's always the possibility of future integration or changes in services depending on the strategic decisions made by Commerzbank. There you have it. We've unraveled the ownership story of comdirect. From its beginnings as a wholly owned subsidiary to its brief stint as a public company, and finally back under the Commerzbank umbrella, comdirect's ownership has certainly seen some interesting twists and turns. Call to action. Of course, the world of finance is constantly evolving. If you're interested in staying up to date on comdirect, or any other financial institution for that matter, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We'll keep you informed on the latest trends and developments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and informed about your finances.